Emirates can add some changes to some of their products to help improve their customer service. Emirates customer service is already very good, as they offer a chauffeur service to customers who are flying in business class and first class, as well as provide very good customer service to customers who have any kind of disability, such as being handicapped, blind, and any other type of disability a customer may have. One way that Emirates could improve their customer service by changing their products is to improve the package holidays which they offer. Emirates offer package holidays to over 30 destinations on their website. They also have special offers, tours, and different holiday types, family holidays and beach holidays, for example. Emirates could improve their customer service on these products and services by offering additional elements of customer service. My recommendation for Emirates to improve their customer service is to offer tours to more of their destinations on their package holidays than they currently do. My evidence for this recommendation is that Emirates only offer tours of South Africa, Western USA, and safari tours. To improve their customer service, they could offer tours to their package holidays in Europe, Asia, and other parts of America, and the rest of the world. This is because some tourists could benefit from people who have experience in working in these parts of the world, and at the moment, the tourists have to book tour guides separately from Emirates. The reason that Emirates should do this is because if a tourist has booked a holiday to a historic and cultural country, such as Italy or China, and they are interested in learning more about the culture and history of these two countries, which both have centuries of history and many places that tourists can visit to learn more about the selected country's history, such as churches and chapels in Italy's, and temples and selections of statues in China, Emirates could provide a tour guide with detailed knowledge of the history of the country and could guide customers around the cities and suggest the best places to visit and suggest which places to miss out, as they will not contribute much to the customer's experience. This recommendation is important to Emirates because it will offer another advantage of booking package holidays with them. As the tour operator market and the market for package holidays is very crowded, Emirates have a lot of competitors, but their main advantage is that an Emirates flight is included when customers book with them. However, other companies offer tour guides, which Emirates only offer on a select few holidays. This will help Emirates sales for their package holidays a lot, because Emirates are a luxury airline and their flights cost a lot more than other airlines like EasyJet and flydubai, which customers can choose to fly with for a holiday just as easily. This means that any customers flying with Emirates will likely be able to afford to pay for a tour holiday along with the flight, and Emirates will have another selling point on their package holidays. This is also important to the customers, as a tour holiday will improve their experience, as they will have additional personal attention all the way through their holiday, and they will be able to enjoy their experience more than they would if they were not on a tour, because they will have an expert helping them visit the best places. Another way that Emirates can improve their customer service is to introduce new procedures into the flight process to improve the speed and efficiency of the operation, so customers have a better experience flying with Emirates altogether. As I've already mentioned, Emirates have exceptional customer service, and they have already introduced measures to improve the speed and efficiency of passengers' experience flying with them. They did this by increasing the speed in which passengers can get through passport control in the airport by introducing biometric technology and One Gate. This means passengers can get through passport control quicker. However, these new initiatives only work for certain people, and my recommendation is to let more people use the SmartGate system, since Dubai is one of the most visited cities in the world by tourists, and some tourists will not be able to use the SmartGate system. My evidence is that the only people that can use the SmartGate system are people that live in the UAE or hold Emirati residence visas, or have passports which belong to a selected 30 countries. Dubai attracted 15.79 million tourists in 2017, and Dubai International Airport is the busiest airport in the world, which means there are millions of people travelling through Dubai Airport each year who do not have access to the smart gate system. The reason that Emirates should do this is because the smart gates are only available at Terminal 3, which is only used by Emirates flights, so if more people were allowed to use the smart gates, it would be a selling point that Emirates could use, as it would mean that people using Emirates and travelling through Terminal 3 will have to wait in queues far less than they normally would have, which is an attractive feature that Emirates could advertise. Altogether, this will improve the speed and efficiency of on-ground procedures for Emirates, which in result will improve customers' experiences while travelling with Emirates. This recommendation is important to Emirates, as it is an additional reason why customers would want to fly with them, as they have access to quicker passport control than any other airline in Dubai International Airport. This is important to customers, as it means they can get through customs in Dubai Airport a lot quicker than they would be able to normally. This would be especially attractive to people who are arriving in Dubai on long-haul flights, as they would want to get through customs as quickly as possible, as they would be extremely tired. The final way that Emirates can improve their customer service that I will discuss is to enhance their company image. This can be done by increasing their attention to customers. An example of this is Amazon, who have a brilliant brand image which is based off their brilliant customer service, and they are known for their attentiveness to customers. Emirates have a big presence on Facebook and offer 24-hour customer service on their private messages, and often respond to over 1,000 questions a day on their Facebook customer service. My recommendation for Emirates to improve their brand image even further is to reach out into different social medias so they can interact with all their customers and have multiple methods of communication. My evidence to support this recommendation is that Emirates have 24-hour customer service on their Facebook, meaning that customers can privately message Emirates on their Facebook at any time of day in any time zone, and an Emirates employee will reply to their question and provide whatever assistance they need. However, people without Facebook, who would still prefer to contact them with using social media and not using emails or calling them, are unable to do that, and will have to contact Emirates by using a method that they would rather avoid by calling them or emailing them. What Emirates should do is branch out onto different platforms of social media so they can reach all of their customers through social media, which will meet specific customer needs. Examples of this include Amazon, who have an employee who operates a thread on a social media site called Reddit, which responds to customers' questions, and another example is Delta Airlines, who, like Emirates, have a 24-hour customer service, except they operate on Twitter instead of Facebook. My recommendation is that Emirates operate customer service on every platform so they can reach as many of their customers as they possibly can. This recommendation is important to Emirates as it enhances their brand image, as they can be seen spending a lot of time dedicated to customer service by having employees replying to customers on every platform available. This is important to the customers as they can easily contact Emirates if they have any problems with their flight, timings, holidays, or any other product that they are involved with.